last time I was working on the bike, I tried to put the headlight back in, and these electrics, they're obviously, they're all wired up virtually correctly, apart from that one I need to wire in, but I found it a real pig to get the wiring into this chassis, so the headlight wire wasn't long enough, so I'm going to have to do a bit more work. So I'm going to basically take it all apart and reroute it. I think originally the wires were either side, so it's not right. Let's get it right. So I'll start taking it to pieces and reroute it. So today I bought this little stand, headstock stand, which is pretty good. As you can see, I've lifted the bike off the floor so I could get the front wheel out, which is in really good condition and really easy to do. And then I just whipped the brake calipers off, pulled the forks out. You can see the innards. It's pretty easy. You just unscrew that top bit, the spring comes off, and then you can get to the innards. And I've just I've basically, the oil's still dripping out of them, but I've changed these oil seals and the dust covers. I'm waiting for a seal driver to arrive tomorrow, so I can bang these seals back in and then fill them with oil and good to go. I bought a cheap fork seal driver, absolutely rubbish. Well, I say cheap, well, between about 25 quid. This one, this is the job. This did a great job. I'll put the exact description where I got it from, but this thing was the job that did it. The other ones are the adjustable ones were rubbish. Okay, today I fitted these new pipes. I think they're called something like Sugaya or something. They are, if you were to Google them, you'd find them. I've seen one video with a bike on, so yeah, they've been a pig to get on, but let's see what they go like. Okay, as you can see, I'm absolutely in bits, so I don't know how much fuel's in the carbs, but we'll give it a go. If only it had wheels, well, 2 wheels. So I've put these pipes on, and just checking, no leaks. Okay guys, the other day someone asked on the group what plugs to fit in an RG500, and I suggested these Iridium BR90 EIXs. That's what I bought, and then quite a few people was like, no, don't bother, go with just the basic BR90Ss. I totally agree. These, I went out for my first sort of proper ride over the weekend, and I spluttered back on 3 pots, and I found out that I put new plugs in the BR90Ss, and it's fired up and it's all good. I'm testing this. This was the suspect plug, and if I put this put a resistance through it, you can see, hopefully, that it's just all over the place. Whereas if I get the next plug that was next to it, and that one is just constant. There we go. There we go. Okay, it's a little bit fluctuating, but overall it's 4 point something, whereas that other one is all over the shop. In summary, I think these are not very good. So there we go. And maybe it's just unlucky, but it's certainly failed on me. Okay, so we're all back together. Didn't take long, so I'll go out for a quick speed around now because it's a nice day. See if it's all working. Okay, so today's challenge, last time I went out for a ride, was going quite well, apart from there's something wrong with either the gearbox or the clutch. So I'm going to have a look at that in a minute because the clutch is right on the end there. And also this little clock stopped working. It was going on and off like there was a short. As you can see, I've ripped all the front off. I'm rewiring all this, only to find it actually was this thing back here. And there was a little bit, I've just put some tape over it there, that was touching the body. It fused it eventually, and I think that's fixed it, but quite frustrating. But this was actually wired up wrong. Somebody bodged the indicators on it, so I've rewired it. I'm not quite finished, but hopefully that's it.